Your life is nothing but the reflection of your habits. Goals will give you direction, but habits decide if you'll ever reach them. And in this video, I'm giving you the 10 habits that actually changed people's life. Last 2 habits are the ones most people ignore today, so watch the complete video so you don't miss out. Habit number 1, waking up early. Research from the University of Texas shows morning people are more proactive and perform better academically and professionally. When you'll start waking up early, you'll notice you aren't rushing anymore. The gym is empty. Your focus is 10x sharper. The key: don't start at 5 a.m. tomorrow. Start 20 minutes earlier every week. By month's end, you're 2 hours ahead of your old self. Habit number 2, daily exercise. You already know this. Exercise isn't just about muscles. It literally rewires your brain. Harvard studies prove it reduces stress, boosts focus, and improves memory. The Rock said, "For me, training is my anchor." Habit number 4, journaling and gratitude. Psychology research from UC Davis showed that gratitude journaling improves sleep, reduces stress. I write down 3 wins from the day. 1 thing I'm grateful for. 1 challenge I learned from. And suddenly, even on bad days, life felt like progress. Habit number 5, the no phone morning rule. Social media is the fastest way to destroy your focus. According to studies, checking your phone first thing spikes your cortisol, your stress hormone. It's not easy, but after a week, my mornings felt 100% mine again. Habit 6, cold showers. Wim Hof made this habit famous. Cold showers aren't just toughening you up. They improve circulation, reduce inflammation, and build mental resilience. Habit number 7, saying no. Steve Jobs once said, "It's only by saying no that you can concentrate on the things that are really important." Learning to say no respectfully gave me back my life. The proof: a study from the University of California shows people who can say no experience less stress and burnout. Habit number 8, the 2-minute rule, popularized by productivity expert David Allen. If it takes less than 2 minutes, do it immediately. Habit number 9, weekly reflection. Every Sunday, sit down for 30 minutes. Ask yourself, what did I do right? Where did I waste time? Who am I becoming? This isn't random. Research from Harvard Business School found that reflection improves performance by 23%. Habit number 10, surround yourself with growth. Motivational speaker Jim Rohn said, "You are the average of the 5 people you spend the most time with." And it's real. Choose your circle. It will either build you or bury you. When you surround yourself with people who trained harder, worked smarter, and lived with discipline, you level up. These 10 habits are not theories. They're proven, backed by science, backed by legends, backed by results. Wake up earlier, train daily, read, journal, cut distractions, protect your time, act fast, reflect, surround yourself with growth. And remember, this habits build character. Character builds destiny. Off-way are what we repeatedly do. Excellence, then, is not an act, but a habit. So, the life you dream of, it's waiting. But your habits decide if you'll ever live it.